Johann, not a bad Christmas period for Munster. 2 wins in the last 2 weeks, and you backed it up again here tonight.
Yeah, very happy with that performance outside. Really tough team to play against. Connacht have been playing fantastic rugby at home, and we knew we had to put in a decent performance to get a result, and very glad about the 5 points.
You seem to have a focus on winning the territory battle. Did you feel you came out on top in that area?
Yeah, I felt so. I haven't looked at the stats in the game obviously yet again, but we knew we needed to turn them and back our D. Look, they also scored some fantastic tries, and it was a real battle. Just before and after halftime, they got most of their points, and I thought we clawed our way back.
How reassuring was it to look to your bench and see the experience on that, and to be able to call on them then for the last 20 minutes? What kind of impact did you feel those guys made?
Yeah, it was important. That's why we selected the team this way. We knew the starters had to do a job, and Connacht finished really strong. And that's why I put in 2 British and Irish Lions on the bench and some experience. And I thought they did excellent in closing the game.
Thanks very much for your time.
Thanks, Gavin.